In English, we often use more than just a single noun to name something clearly or describe it fully. That's where the noun phrase comes in. It's a powerful structure that helps us say more with just a few extra words. Hey everyone, you're watching Grammarrow and today we are going to talk about the noun phrase. So let's get started. A noun phrase is a group of words centered around a noun that functions as a single unit within a sentence. It typically consists of a noun or pronoun and may include modifiers like adjectives, articles, determiners, and prepositional phrases that provide more information about the noun. For example, the tall man, the smiley face, the red car. Here, the tall man, the smiley face, the red car, these three words together function as a noun phrase. Now, let's talk about the constituents or elements or components of the noun phrase. The constituents or components of a noun phrase can be referred to as bricks of the building that come together to form the phrase. These components provide information and help define its role in a sentence. The noun phrase has four components and they're called head, determiners, pre-modifiers, and post-modifiers. Among these, head is the compulsory one. Now, what is the head of a noun phrase? It is the main noun or main word around which the noun phrase is built. It is the core of the phrase and all the other words provide additional information about it. For instance, the tall man is happy. The blonde girl in the garden. Here in these sentences, man and girl are the head or the main nouns. Next is determiners. Determiners are words placed before nouns to clarify which noun is being referred to. It gives more information about quantity, ownership, specificity, or definiteness of the main noun. It also delimits the range of reference of the head in a noun phrase. For example, we can say, that red umbrella. Our honorable teacher Michael from English department. Here in these sentences, that and our are the determiners and they specify the heads of the noun phrases. Now let's move to the pre-modifiers. Pre-modifiers are words or phrases that come before a noun in a noun phrase and provide additional details about the noun. They help to describe the characteristics or attributes of the main noun. For instance, he bought a gaming laptop. Uncle Tom sold his old Mercedes. Here in these sentences, gaming and old are the pre-modifiers that describe the characteristics of the heads of the noun phrases. And the final one is post-modifiers. Post-modifiers are words or groups of words that come after the head in a noun phrase. It provides additional information or clarify the noun. For example, the man with the sunglasses. The person who did the job is Simon. Here, with the sunglasses and who did the job are the post-modifiers that provide additional information or clarify the noun. Now let's see an example. The blue BMW M3 GTR in front of the restaurant. Here, the is the determiner, blue is the pre-modifier, BMW M3 GTR is the head and in front of the restaurant is the post-modifier. Let's make it fun with a quick story challenge. The little boy with the red cap was walking. He saw a big brown dog near the park. The kind woman with a basket of apples smiled at him. Suddenly, the loud sound of a car scared everyone. Now your task is to find the noun phrases in it. Write your answers in the comments below. For more grammar lessons like this, make sure to follow Grammarrow. Learn fast, speak smart.